Isaiah 46 and the idea that God is in control of what he says, go. And I finished the service challenging people to learn to let go of the things that aren't God in their lives, the things that we cling to and trust to, but that ultimately will let us down, and instead follow Jesus, even if that means following him into storms. I kind of got this picture that I thought I'd share on live today to help kind of illustrate what I mean by that. The picture was of someone who was on a boat and the boat was sinking. You're on a sinking boat, you're on a sinking ship, and so really what you're looking to do is to hold on to something so that you survive, so that you don't drown. There's a rescue buoy, you know, the sorts of things that float that you're supposed to hold on to, attached to a ship that has come to save you and to drag you back to shore. And that's Jesus. That is something that we can hold on to in the most dire of circumstances, and it will keep us afloat, it will keep us safe. It's not a picture of something that's safe or comfortable or easy, because it's going to drag you through the waves back to shore. But if you keep hold of it, then because it's in control, Jesus is in control, you will get there and you will be safe. But what we like to do is, rather than grabbing onto that which is going to lead us into further waves and storms on the way to safety, is that we like to just grab hold of all the flotsam and jetsam or whatever it's called that's kicking around from the ship that we are abandoning, that's sinking, like at the end of Titanic, where people are just grabbing hold of little planks of wood or what have you that are just knocking about, thinking that because it isn't dragging us into further waves is what's going to keep us safe. We've really got to get this through our thick skulls, that the things that we like to cling to, other and apart from Jesus, the things that we cling to as if they are God, as if they are the ones that are going to satisfy us, that they are the ones who are going to keep us safe and bring us hope and bring us joy, they will just drag us down to the bottom of the ocean with them. But Jesus is one who is in control and has promised to rescue us, to redeem us, to recreate us, I guess you could say. And even if that means being dragged through huge waves, you hang on to him and you will be safe.